Hello everyone. It's been 5 months since I rode my bike. My battery died in May, about 5 months ago, and I was too lazy to replace the battery, so I decided to get a lithium-ion battery, as I posted in my previous video. And so this battery weighs 1/4 of the original. So the original weighed 4.62 pounds, about 2.1 kilograms, and the new one weighs half a kilogram, about 1.1 pounds. So it's super light. And the only issues I had was that the original screws, the holes over here, are smaller than the new one, so the new battery terminals. So the new battery holes, the screw that comes with it is wider, and it would not go through the terminal, the battery terminal. So you had to drill a hole, and the bit size that you need to use is a 3/8 inch bit to drill the hole in this terminal and the negative terminal. And I think this wire, the red one, is for my Garmin GPS, and this one is for the USB charger. I dropped it someplace here. Yeah, so I need to figure out where to attach it, or use a tie down to attach it, but I think the terminal is coming out from here, so that's going to be the connection point for that. And yeah, it starts out pretty good, no issues. So pretty excited about it. So tomorrow the weather is good, so I'll be riding my bike after 5 months. Hope I haven't forgotten how to ride. I'll find out. All right.